had to sneeze, but I feel like it's not gonna come out. Never mind, it did. Oh my god, finally! For the first time! I can never sneeze! Well, that felt good. That one actually didn't really hurt for once. Oh. Okay, I just need to talk through it and it comes out, I guess. Amazing. Y'all don't know how happy that makes me, how many times I've had to sneeze and it just decides it doesn't want to come out, and I'm just here with my eyes all squinted up and I look like I'm crying. I'm like, ugh, thank you. Thank you. I feel like I deserve like a congratulations or something. Don't people clip people's sneezes? I feel like I've seen like VTuber sneezes get clipped. Standing ovation for the sneeze. I really do need it. I really do need it. I feel like I've been recommended like a YouTube video that was like a YouTube sneeze compilation. Is it, do people just like hearing like the sneeze because like some people have cute sneezes? Or is it like something weird? I think it's just cute. It's just cute. I just like to say bless you. Probably a bit of both. It's probably always something weird. I mean, there's like... I don't know if people find sneezes, stimulating. I know there's like burp compilations and things like that because it's like that, I'm like... Ugh. I'm afraid, but sneezes are just like... Maybe it's just cute? Stimulating, yes, stimulating. There's a fetish, everything. I know, but I've never... I don't know if there's enough that they're making sneeze compilations. Either sneeze compilations are just because they're cute. Ancient Aqua clip for chat wanted to listen to or blow dry her hair. For the sneezing? I mean, I get that for like ASMR stuff, right? But for a sneeze? I think people just like to hear... people just like to hear people make funny sounds. Sometimes. Like watching people play horror games because you want to hear them scream. No matter what it is, I think that's actually a rule of the internet. No matter what it is, there's like a fetish for it, right? But I don't know if the reason that people are making VTuber sneeze compilations is because of that or just because it's cute.